Greetings! You've heard us sing the praises of our Jamaican pimento oil products for years at Jamaican Oils. But did you know that pimento is considered Jamaica's #1 spice? Seriously now, Jamaicans use pimento berries in just about everything we cook: meats, rice and peas, soups, porridges, liqueurs, drinks. Did you ever wonder why the rest of the world calls pimento allspice? Well, this amazing spice has the flavors and aromas of cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg all rolled into one. So our love affair with pimento goes back over 1,000 years with the Arawaks, also known as the Taino Indians. The Tainos used to swallow pimento berries whole for medicinal purposes. Today, the leaves, the berries, and the oil of the pimento tree continue to play a very important role in traditional Jamaican herbal medicine. They're generally used for gas, flatulence, aches and pains, rheumatism, arthritis, and respiratory problems such as bronchitis, chills, colds, coughs, and so much more. At Jamaican Oils, we offer a 100% natural handmade traditional formula in our Epiphany True Pimento Massage Oil to gently but effectively address those bothersome aches and pain. So many of you have loved and gifted fountain pimento oil for years for the same reason. 100% natural ingredients made with the integrity that offers potent relief. Pimento is also used for hair growth in Fountain's Mighty Roots Jamaican Black Castor Oil blend with their shampoo and conditioner. These wholesome products are steeped in our Jamaican tradition and honed to provide you with excellent natural results today.